Some tech concepts are simple until you try to explain them. Then, suddenly, you are in a spiral of tabs, diagrams and blog posts written for the people with 4 PhDs. Now, when something confuses me, I just ask ChatGPT to explain it like I'm 5. I was trying to write a tutorial that mentioned APIs. I've used them before and I know what they do. But if someone asked me to explain it clearly, I'd probably say just Google it and slowly back away. So I asked GPT, explain APIs using a sandwich shop. And here's what it gave me. And honestly, it finally made sense. You don't go behind the counter. You use the menu, place your order, and someone makes it for you. That's the API. You don't touch the kitchen. You just ask for a sandwich and get one back. I use prompts like explain topic like I'm 5. Explain topic using analogy I understand. Give me 3 short analogies that explain topic in a plain language. Break down topic into beginner, intermediate, and advanced with examples. If you are tired of pretending to understand complicated tech concepts, just steal this. It's funny, but it works. It will save your time, your brain cells, and your dignity. And if this helped, you know what to do. I post smart tips like this every week.